So first I wanted to show you how to make overnight oats. It's a simple breakfast that I think all of you guys will like. It's filling and nutritious, and you can either go with the regular rolled oats or you can find gluten-free rolled oats, Mom, of your own choosing. You can do steel cut oats, it doesn't matter, but they cannot be the quick cook oats. They have to be the regular oats. So this recipe calls for some type of milk of your choice. It can be almond, silk, whatever you'd like. Even regular 2% milk will do just fine. Some type of berry, banana, cherry, any kind of fruit topping that you like will do. Fruit preserves of your choice. Nut butter of your choice. I happen to have cashew butter. Greek yogurt, again, you can have plain, you can have vanilla, you can have fruit flavored, whatever you like. I like to use vanilla because it kind of goes with everything that we have here. Okay, so you're also going to need a 4-ounce mason jar with a lid. And the first thing you're going to do is you are going to measure out your oats, and you'll need 1/3 cup for your entire mason jar. So just like this, and put it into a separate container. That way you don't get confused. Also, you want to pre-measure your yogurt. Again, 1/3 cup. It doesn't have to be precise. There you go. And what you want to start doing is layering your mason jar, kind of like a parfait. The first ingredient you want to put into your mason jar is a teaspoon, 2 tablespoons, it doesn't really matter, right in the bottom. Just so it hits enough to cover. The next thing you'll want to do is you'll want to pour some oats over top of that. And again, it doesn't need to be precise, just enough. You'll want a separate teaspoon to add your preserves. Just a little, like that. And your nut butter of choice. And again, you don't need a lot of this. Not even a teaspoon will do. It can go right in next to your preserves. And you do that again over and over until you get to the top of your mason jar. You want to kind of even the top out and smush it down, not much, just a little, just to even it out. And then with your milk, you'll just want to pour the milk in, and you'll want to let it seep down to the bottom. Sometimes you'll need to take your spoon and just kind of move it like that. You just want to pour enough of your milk in to fill it to the top. And again, use your spoon to kind of move it down. Not stirring, just moving it down. There you go. And then you'll want to cover your jar. You'll want to put this jar into the refrigerator overnight. Once you get your jar out in the morning, you can top with blackberries, raspberries, any type of fruit that you would like. Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to share my cup of coffee with you and also share with you our overnight oats. They've been resting in the refrigerator overnight. That should have given plenty of time for your oats to absorb all that moisture from your milk and from the yogurt. And I have some blackberries that I'm going to top mine with. And again, like I said before, you can use blackberries, you can use raspberries, you can use whatever fruit that you enjoy. And enjoy.